I'm gonna play a song I actually wrote while I was driving down here. Just so you guys know, the reason why Nashville is the home of country music is because everything bad happens on your way here. Broken down just south of Nashville, a house still looking for a ride. I hope someone will stop to pick me up. I see this old guitar down by my side, 'cause I'm praying, but they don't see me now. And now I'm screaming, but no one hears the sound. Lord, I'm praying, but I feel somehow. Yeah, I'm still broken down, just south of Nashville. You know it's raining, Lord, and I can't see. This narrow road you put down in front of me. These semi-lights are making it real hard to breathe. So I'm praying, help me please, 'cause I'm praying, but no one sees me now. Lord, I'm singing, but they don't hear a sound. And I'm praying, but I feel somehow, 'cause I'm still broken down, just south of Nashville. Cops are smoke whiskey on my breath, and this smoke in my lungs might do me to death. And I don't know if I'll ever be free from the poison that's haunting me. I hope to God I can make one more step, 'cause I'm praying, but no one sees me now. And I'm screaming, but they don't hear a sound. And I'm praying, but I'm alone somehow. Yeah, I'm still broken down. God, I'm still broken down, just south of Nashville.